The members of Khasi Students' Union Maukhar Circle today drove away the non-tribal hawkers at Yodo. These hawkers were driven away under the leadership of the Assistant Organizing Secretary of KSU Maukhar Circle, Robert Dakar, and Finance Secretary Newton and its members. Speaking to the media, the KSU leaders expressed utter surprise that the non-tribal hawkers could freely sell their goods when the East Khasi Hills district and the entire state is under lockdown. They also said that they have found that these types of hawkers are carrying out their business at Laban, Bishnupur, Nomansong and Panthor, and some of them have come all the way from Assam and Bihar. These KSU leaders also said what made them angry was that the security personnel of the Dorbar of MLM and state police were silent spectators at the people involved drinking at Yodo.